Can do this. Chalo, slowly move. I told you to work, not do this. I told. Come on, straighten your handlebars.
I'm tired now.
This is a freeway. Use your. What did you
दूसरी बाइक दे दो मेरी पति है ना सुमा थैंक यू He's done with
Hi guys, it's 6:45 a.m. and we're all set to go for a 2-day trip where we'll be learning how to ride a bullet. This is an all-women workshop organized by Nomadic Soul. If you haven't heard their name, I'll be pasting the details in the description box. They organize treks, trips and workshops. This is our first time with them, so let's see how it goes. I will be giving all the details about this trip to you guys. Currently we're waiting for our Uber to drop us to the pickup point. This is the second cab that we booked. The first one already cancelled on us. We're waiting for the second cab, and I think it has already arrived. So we gotta go. I will see you guys at the campsite. Mask. Yeah, got to wear my mask. See you. So we have reached the campsite after nearly 2 hours of our journey. It is situated on top of a hill and the view that you get from here is spectacular. Let me show you a glimpse of it. And there is the vehicle that got us here. While our breakfast was getting ready, we headed to check our tents, and to our surprise, it was more than just a tent. We were provided with cute little bamboo beds along with extra soft mattresses. The best part was the attached washroom because it had a geyser. Hi. Luckily, we got a tent with the best view. Then it was time for breakfast, and this is the only Khanika picture that I clicked in the entire trip. The other meals we just hogged. In short, I can say that यहाँ का खाना was decent and yum. Now was the time to get introduced to these beauties. This is Royal Enfield Himalayan and this is Royal Enfield Thunderbird. Aren't they beautiful? And our actual workshop started, beginning with a theory session where we learned about the different parts of a bike and how a bike functions.
in breaking down, he'll keep on doing this. So you'll not be in that.
We also got to try some hands on the bikes where we understood how to balance a bike by using just one finger or a palm. Then we practiced some balancing on the bikes using our feet and lower body weight. And And while practicing, we experienced the first fall of the workshop.
With one finger.
With the fall, we came to the next lesson of the session, that is, how to lift your bike after such falls. Here you can see me trying the same thing. I did try a lot, but somehow मेरा दिन ही नहीं था. But then there was this girl Priyanka who could actually lift one of the bikes, and तब से we call her our own roadie. So ये सब हुआ. We had our lunch and headed to the field for the most exciting part, to ride the Royal Enfield. We took off the stand, started the bike, adjusted the clutch and the gear, all set and excited to ride it. But there was a twist. We had to walk with the bike first before actually riding it. Trust me, ये सबसे डिफिकल्ट था. As you can clearly see it on my face, मेरी पूरी तरह से फट गई थी एंड मैंने ट्रेनर को बहुत परेशान किया. There came a time when I almost gave up, but somehow I managed to pass through and got ready for the next level. फिर मेरे हाथ लगी ये Avenger baby, and to everybody's surprise, I was the first one among the girls to ride. So this was the end of our first day, and you can see our happy faces. We were already waiting for the next day. We reached the campsite, had a delicious dinner around the campfire, and got some good sleep. Next day, we woke up to this beautiful view, had quick breakfast, and reached the field to resume our training, where these beauties were waiting for us. Hi Ranvijay. Hi roadies. The first lesson of the day was on importance of safety gears. Our coach briefed us on all the kinds of safety measures along with gears that we need to take care of while riding. We geared up and started with our implemented yesterday's learnings and learned some more new lessons like shifting of gears and controlling the speed. And some more practice along with some funny moments. By the end of the second day, after gaining some confidence, we girls could ride in crisscross manner. I'm not sure what is this thing called. If you guys know, please let me know in the comments section. And this was the end of this wonderful workshop where we got certified by Nomadic Soul. All in all, it was an amazing experience with अच्छे लोग, अच्छे trainers, अच्छा खाना, अच्छा रहना, and finally bullet चला पाना. So I would recommend this training to every girl who dreams of riding a bullet or any bike for that sake.
Oh my god, my first call.
Ramya, Ramya.
Yes.
Itu beka, itu beka.
It's too big.
Itu beka. Means?
Lift it fast.
Yes.
Learn very fast.
What about this batch?
This
Any
batch.
comments? Yeah.
No comments. Peaceful batch.
Anything special about this batch?
Anything special?
Anybody special in this batch?
What's the what's the takeaway?
Hey, showing.
What's the takeaway from this batch, coaches?
We give away. We don't take away.
Didn't run behind you much. You learned it. Okay.